Good morning. Here we are, Carron Valley Mountain Bike Trails, just about to drop into East Dhu. It's my first time doing it, but I'm not going in blind. I've been watching a bunch of POV videos. I know what to expect. Roughly, I'll be taking it easy, avoiding any jumps and just rolling over any obstacles. But yeah, first time. Here goes. Pull up. There we go. So that was East Dhu. That was fun. Cannonball! Oh, first jump. last bit's a killer. Don't think I'll be doing one way today. Well, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Just to give a shout out to a couple of YouTube channels that got me into this stuff. The Flowing Scotsman, Big TB MTB, Ramsey McFarlane, Trail Coach. I'll be coming for some one-to-one coaching sometime soon. But without these guys doing the videos, I wouldn't be able to research, practice, get used to these trails. That was my first time doing any blue trails. I've only just started mountain biking, 4 years old, and just trying to get my fitness levels up. Yeah, there's a road down the hill, that's what I say. Thanks for watching. That was good.